Alright, I made it back from SEMA and I thrashed the past couple days trying to get a few things finished up on the Monte Carlo, get it back in the booth and get the final primer coat on it, and we accomplished that yesterday evening. So now we've got the whole car reprimed one last time to fill in any final sand scratches, and it's guide coated once more so we can get the final sanding done on the car and get it ready for paint. So once we do the outside, I'll have to go along all the door edges, down along the bottoms and the sides, and all along in here and inside the window openings, and do all that by hand, get that prepped so it's ready for paint, but everything else should be ready to go. Ashton, are you ready to start sanding on this car here? Yeah. We got everything ready. You ready to go? You got your sander all ready? Can you say, hey Bob the Bee, how are you?
Hi,
So we got a lot of work to go yet on this, getting this car sanded out one more time.
Mom got sander.
You got your sander, and then we're gonna get it cleaned up. Got to pull all the masking paper off, put all fresh masking paper on everything, so we got nice clean surfaces before we bring it in, put the color coat and the clear coats on it. So that's where we're at with this, and we're going to keep going, and I'll bring it back when I've got everything sanded and ready to go, and show you what I've had to do to clean up all the edges. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention when sanding this, being this is my final sand, I'm using a different DA. This DA has a tighter turning radius on it, so it moves in very tight circles, so it doesn't leave any scratch marks or swirls in the primer coat when you finish priming it. So what I use, again, just a regular DA, a tight circle pattern DA with the flat pad on it, and this is a Velcro pad, so it's not it's a Velcro pad, not a sticky back pad. And these, I'm using a 400 grit Velcro sticky Velcro backed paper to go on there, and I also have a foam pad that attaches to this that I can use to go around some of the areas that have a radius to them, and it allows the paper to conform to that radius, so it'll sand out easier. Forgot to mention that in the last little video I did. So there you go. That's what I use to get this sanded. Now away I go.